Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we are making traditional sour soup. Perfect thick slices for our soup.
Beautiful fresh ingredients. Let us set the fish aside. Now for the sweet pineapple.
This adds a natural sweet and sour flavor.
Such a vibrant color.
Next are rip red tomatoes.
Cutting them into elegant wedges.
The colors are amazing.
Time for some crunchy green veggies.
Slice them at an angle.
Keeping everything organized.
These stems will soak up all the delicious broth.
Look at all these fresh vegetables. Now for the sour tamarind base.
Adding hot water to soften it.
Extracting that perfect sour flavor.
This is the soul of our soup.
Fresh herbs for the perfect aroma.
A little minced garlic to start.
Let us begin cooking.
Just a splash of oil.
Frying the garlic until it's a little golden.
It smells absolutely wonderful.
Saving some for our garnish later.
In goes the tomato and pineapple.
Sautéing them to create a beautiful natural color.
Look at that rich base.
Adding fresh water for our broth. A beautiful golden red color. Bring it to a nice boil.
Straining the fresh tamarind juice.
This gives it that signature tang.
A touch of sugar to balance the sourness.
A little fish sauce for deep, savory flavor.
Stirring it gently.
Time for our fresh fish.
Gently adding the fish. Letting it simmer perfectly. Keep the broth clear and beautiful. Hit like if this makes you hungry.
In go the crunchy green vegetables.
These will soak up the delicious soup.
Adding the rest of our tomatoes.
A pot full of amazing colors.
Just a gentle press. Boil for just 2 more minutes.
Bean sprouts go in last.
to keep them perfectly crunchy.
Turning off the heat.
Our traditional soup is ready.
Ready for serving.
Carefully taking out the tender fish.
Beautiful and intact.
Now for all those healthy vegetables.
Such an incredible mix of colors. Just release that severs.
Pouring the sweet and sour broth.
Absolutely perfect.
A generous sprinkle of fresh herbs.
Bringing so much fresh aroma.
And our crispy fried garlic.
This traditional sour soup is full of amazing flavors.
Subscribe for more authentic Vietnamese recipes.
Let us serve this hot.
Dinner is served.
A true taste of home.
Best enjoyed with warm rice.
Ready to eat.
It smells absolutely incredible. Look at how tender everything is. Sweet, sour, and perfectly savory.
A comforting bowl for any day.
So fresh and vibrant. a beautiful morning in the kitchen.
I hope you enjoy this easy recipe.
Thank you for joining us.
Cooked with love. Cooked with love.
See you in the next journey.